Yo, what is up everybody? How's it going? It's lit. We're back. Finally. I think it's been about 9 months since I made my last video, so it's been a minute. But we're back in college. I have an interesting roommate that maybe you guys will meet this year. We're gonna be unboxing something that'll definitely get you lit. The Bar 2.1 by JBL by Harman. It's a 2.1 channel soundbar and wireless subwoofer. It's gonna set you back
$200.
The speaker's got 300 watts of total power divided between the soundbar and the subwoofer. The soundbar has 4 2 1/4 inch mid-range drivers and 2 1 1/4 tweeters in the soundbar, and the wireless subwoofer has got a 6.5 inch driver. Both these speakers have Dolby Digital decoder, which reproduces multi-channel audio to deliver a cinematic audio experience. So essentially, you're gonna be like in an IMAX movie with the soundbar. These are also Bluetooth because it's 2018, and if you buy speakers that are not Bluetooth, then I don't know why you're buying those speakers. Alright, and without further ado, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, we're gonna start here from the top, work our way to the bottom, see what we got here. Oh my, fancy. Alright, so up here, this is where the soundbar is going to be at. This is actually, we'll take this out first. We'll take a look at that in depth in a second. Here's the actual soundbar. We'll pull this out here. And let me just say, wow, it's got a decent amount of weight to it, I would say. But it definitely feels like a sturdy design. And wow, this thing is sleek. Looks like a giant Bluetooth speaker because it is a giant Bluetooth speaker. Super dope, super dope. Alright, now let's get into the subwoofer. This thing looks like it can clap. I don't think it could actually clap because it doesn't have hands, and you need hands to clap. Yeah. I think that's everything in this. I don't know why. It's just a... Just did a drop test right there. Looks like it's all good still. Alright, now let's get into the subwoofer. This thing, gotta cut off these safety restraints. This thing's wild. That did not work as I expected, but boom. So this is the actual Bluetooth speaker. Not speaker, subwoofer I should say. Here's the back actually that we're opening. Ooh, and this thing is looking super sleek. So here's the actual Bluetooth speaker if we're taking a look at it. On the side it's some sort of symbol. I honestly have no idea. Oh, I'm already smudging this thing. Leaving fingerprints. There's the back, the Bar 2.1 subwoofer, completely wireless, except you gotta plug it in. So it's not completely wireless, but relatively wireless. Alright, now we're gonna get into the box that I said we were gonna get into later. You know, I'm a man of my words, so we'll get into this. Or maybe not, because I'm not sure how to open it. Oh, it just opens like that. So, first things first, you got the remote. Even though it does say that you can switch it to your TV remote, which is dope, but it's nice that they give you your own little remote. And then this. Oh! Oh! Those batteries? For the remote? JBL knows what's up. Turn it up with the batteries. Here we got the quick start guide. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. Gonna be giving this away. Just gotta comment and subscribe if you guys want the quick start guide for the JBL Bar 2.1. Here we got some cables, power cables. This looks like an auxiliary cord. Actually, I don't even know what this is. Because this is the auxiliary cord. So they This is a super weird cable actually. It's like, they're like Christmas lights on the end. And then some more screws and give us some paper. Nice. I'm a fan. Thanks JBL. I appreciate the paper. Alright, so here we got everything that came in the box in all its glory. We got the sound bar, the subwoofer, and I'm excited to plug these things in and start playing some music because they look absolutely amazing. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm just trying to get back into making videos. I think I'm gonna make some more videos. I'm here in college. I actually have a studio to make videos. It's dope. But anyways, maybe I'll make another video, maybe I won't, but I'll see you guys in the next one.